पूरी दुनिया की तरह बरतानिया में भी नेशनल इलेक्शन आगाज़ हो चुका है। बरतानिया में भी आज़ाद उम्मीदवारों की तादाद बहुत ज़्यादा है। नेशनल इलेक्शन में ये खूब तब्दीली है जिसके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा आज़ाद उम्मीदवार हर मुल्क में अपनी अहमियत बढ़ा रहे हैं। बरतानिया के हर शहर में आज़ाद उम्मीदवारों का एक ग्रुप बनकर सामने आ रहा है जो बरतानिया की मजबूत सियासी जमातों को झटका है।
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mukhtar Ali. I'm standing as an independent candidate for Bradford West parliamentary seat. I'm a former councillor. I resigned over the illegal war in Iraq. A genocide is taking place in Gaza since 7th of October. Sitting MP Naz Shah did not speak until the public outcry. Keir Starmer supports genocide. His words are on record. The stopping food and water and medicines by Israel is a justifiable weapon to starve them to submission. I have a track record in the community doing different campaigns. Bradford West is getting an overcrowded field. I hope that you will look at that and support me and be part of my campaign. Thank you.
My name is Dr. Rahana Ali and I'm a consultant neurologist. I'm going to be standing as an independent candidate for Bradford South. The most important reason for me to stand is the current Holocaust in Palestine. I think we've all seen the horrors over the last 8 months, and the silence of these MPs has been disgraceful. Keir Starmer, the leader of that Labour Party, said that cutting off food, water, electricity to the people in Gaza was perfectly acceptable. It's not acceptable. And Judith Cummings is a member of that Labour Party. She supports this genocide. Now, some people will say, well, what does the Gaza genocide have to do with us? Well, even if you don't care that babies are being blown to pieces, let me put it to you. There is no money for the NHS, there's no money for the schools because billions are being used to support Israel. I have had the misfortune of having to try and use these MPs on a personal matter, and I found them lacking. So there needs to be real representation in Westminster. There needs an MP who has the spine and the guts to speak on the issues that matter. So I hope that you will support my campaign. Thank you.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'in. Councillor Talat Sajabal here from the Little Horton Ward. Today I'm thrilled to announce that I will be standing in the up-and-coming general election on the 4th of July and contesting the parliamentary seat in the Bradford East constituency. I want you to come out and support me like you have for so many years. Let's change politics. Let's change politics for politics that focuses on community issues. That is a voice for the community, and community matters the most. That's what we need to change politics to, because that's what it was always about. Public servants working for the public, not working for parties. Party politics has failed the people of Bradford, has failed the people of Palestine, and we need to raise that voice and make it loud and clear. Let's use this opportunity to send a direct message to Keir Starmer and say it loud and clear. We do not support what you said on LBC radio. We do not support your blocking of an SNP motion for an immediate ceasefire. And we do not support you because you have failed to call for an immediate ceasefire. Instead, you have enabled a genocide in Palestine. We find you complicit. This is the message we can send directly to Keir Starmer. This is a massive task for us to achieve success. And we need anybody and everybody to help out. We only have 5 weeks. So if you can help, volunteer, campaign, canvas, anything that you can do and lend your expertise up, please come get in touch, because this fight is for you. It's time for change. Be part of that change. Be on the right side of history. So I would urge you to please come out and support me, Talat Sajawal, in this general election, and make me an independent, your next MP, to represent you and your voice in Parliament.